I did something. Hi. I made a really stupid decision today and I was just going to scrap this whole video that I was filming today. I just feel really bad about it. Like, it's so not like me to do this. But I decided to upload it because maybe it can be something that you guys can learn from, or maybe something to show that I'm like a normal person that makes mistakes and makes irrational decisions. I'm so blessed to be paid well for what I love doing. Like, I am so grateful. And please don't take this in the wrong way, but having money is hard to manage in your head, and it's so hard not to just be like, well, I have the money, why don't I just spend it, you know? And I do actually save a lot of my money. I have this whole saving routine that I do every single month. I have investments, like I invest in stocks, and I'm very smart with my money generally. This video, you're probably not gonna think that of me. It just shows that I'm an 18-year-old. I'm still trying to learn the adult things. I'm still going into adulthood, and I'm gonna share those bad decisions to maybe help some people out there from making those bad decisions. So today I bought a 2020 MacBook Air with the M1 chip, brand new, customized it, literally made it all my own. I was gonna buy a literal $100 case for it, and I have a MacBook Pro 2017 Intel Core i5 processor. These look exactly the same. Like what? Like, what did I do? Why would I do that? Here's the thing. I can fall down a black hole, as many of us can. First of all, I just wanted to find like a nice little case for it. I think I was looking for cases, and then Julia K. Christ's video came up, and it was like her MacBook Pro unboxing video, and I was like, oh my god, like that's so sick. I've always been such like a tech nerd, and whenever I get an Apple product, it's the best day of my life. And then I fell down this deep hole. I watched Lauren's video, I watched other Julia's unboxing videos, and then I was like, if I trade this one in to Apple, I could get $500 for it. If I were to get a new laptop, I should have gotten the MacBook Pro, and I probably should have gotten the 500 gigabyte one instead of the 256 gigabyte one, because that's like the huge problem that I have on this one, and I didn't. The graphics aren't as good, battery life isn't as good as the Pro. I went to this hole and I was like, I need it. So I bought it, and I set up the trade-in for this one. Literally, the trade-in box is coming to my house, and honestly, I was filming this whole video. I did a whole unboxing thing. I got like B-roll footage of like taking the plastic off and what came in the box and setting it up, and then adding the aesthetics and the customization and everything. Honestly, as soon as I opened the box, I was like, wow, I literally did just spend $1,300 on a laptop that I didn't even need. And then I'm on the phone with my mom, and my mom's like, why did you do that? In my gut, I knew this was not financially smart for me, and I didn't want to admit it to my mom. I didn't want to admit it to myself. I probably should have thought it over. I just feel like this was an impulse buy. I feel really good about making this video right now. It's making my heart palpitations go away. I'm going to return this. I'm just gonna keep with this one, my nice little 2017 little buddy. I might treat myself to a little case for it, and it'll be okay. That was like so unexpected. I hope this was helpful. I really hope you're not taking this in the wrong way. I don't know why I'm literally shaking. I'm gonna shop for a little case now. Hopefully not make any more rash decisions. But why do these things keep happening to me? I don't know why these weird, scary things keep happening to me. I went to go return my laptop. So I booked an appointment at 11:30 a.m. Like, this is gonna be really quick, and then I can film a weekend video today. And I had that all planned and everything. And so I go, it was at the Eaton Center that I was returning it, which is like in downtown Toronto, like very busy area. And me, as an 18-year-old who just moved out, I haven't been driving to any of these places, because obviously like I'm not gonna go out and like do that during COVID, but I haven't been anywhere alone downtown. But today I decided to do that. Didn't really think it would be that much of an issue. All I had to do was park, return my laptop, go to the parking garage, and leave. Yeah, that didn't happen. My heart is beating so fast from this. Basically, I park at this parking lot that was like 2 or 3 blocks away from the Eaton Center, because I was scared that I wouldn't be able to actually find parking at the Eaton Center. That was mistake number 1. Parked very far away. I knew I was near the entrance, so I was like, okay, if I'm near the entrance, I'll just be able to find my parking spot when I go back. I get to the Apple store, I return it, and then I'm walking back. I forget where I parked my car, and I'm in the literal middle of downtown Toronto, and there are so many creepy people. I'm walking alone. I look like a short 10-year-old trying to find her way around this big city. I don't have the parked car thing set on my phone, which I need to do that right now. I was walking around for a good 15 minutes trying to find the entrance to the parking garage that's like on the street, the elevator that goes down. Couldn't find it, so I decided to ask this construction worker that looked really nice, and this battery's dying. Sorry, I had to switch cameras. Anyways, luckily he wasn't creepy and he wasn't like a murderer or anything. He was like, I'm sorry, I don't know, like there's one over there. Maybe try that. So then I cross the street and I go there and that was the right one. I was like, oh my gosh, thank God. So I go into the elevator, I look down. There are so many cars. So I'm walking around and around and around trying to find my car. I press the panic button on my car and I don't hear anything. And there was this car full of men that seemed like it was following me and I was like, am I being paranoid right now? And I'm just like walking, they're beside me and they just go really slow and they're like, are you okay? And I'm like, yeah, I'm good, like I'm fine. They're like, okay, and they leave. So I'm literally freaking out. Then one of these like workers comes and he's like, are you okay? And I'm like, am I walking towards the entrance? And he's like, yes, you are. So I call my mom at this point. I'm like, Mom, I need help. And she's like, okay, I'll stay on the phone with you. Then after 20 minutes of walking around, the same guy, and he's like, are you sure you're okay? And I'm like, no, I need help. So he takes me down to the second floor and I have my mom on the phone just in case anything happens. I go to the second floor and he walks me right to my car and I'm like, you are literally my guardian angel. If this guy didn't help me, I would still be right now walking through that parking garage, probably lost and crying. Literally, amen to those people. I love good, helpful, kind, genuine people. So I learned a couple lessons. One, always like take a picture of where you park, like the level and the letter and a video of maybe what's around. Also, remember where you come out of a parking garage so you know where to walk back to. And maybe if it's the first time doing it, don't do it alone or ask your parents where to park if there's a better way to park. I feel like I need to take a bath or like a shower or something. But there's a lot of adulting going on in this vlog. So I hope I'm just giving all these life lessons to you so you don't make the same mistakes I do. So how is your day going? I returned the laptop though. It's unboxing time. I picked up so many packages. I've just been so lazy that I haven't gone down to the front desk. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing. First thing that I got are my Care of vitamins. I haven't gone through my whole box, but I have a whole other box, not including the zinc ones, because the zinc ones can make some people nauseous, but I got everything else. I got 30 packs of these, so excited. It's so cute. I have my other one right there. Then I got sent a package from Coco Kind. Oh, it says it's nice to meet you. I got so many things. I got resurfacing sleep mask, so it's like an overnight mask. Kind of crazy. Then I got texture smoothing cream with celery superseed complex, rose water toner, chlorophyll mask treatment, so it's like a detoxifying mask, oil to milk cleanser. Ooh, I feel like that would be really, really good for me. I literally just filmed the video buying my skincare routine. Okay, maybe I'm gonna like share this with my sister or something. I have the turmeric tonic leave-on spot treatment. I have been wanting one of these. Revitalizing eye cream. I've never had an eye cream, so probably should start using that. Sea kale clay mask, restorative mask for smooth, clear skin. Lastly, we have the Sake body lotion, fragrance free. Why are they nice? Like, why are they so nice to me? Like, why would they send me all this stuff? Thank you, Coco Kind. And then I got a package from Pacifica. Like what? Oh my god, the Pacifica Vegan Collagen Everyday Lotion. This has SPF 30. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh my god. Why are there so many things in here? Cheeky Cherry Cheek Stain. That's literally such a pretty color. Glow Stick Lip Oil Sheer Tint with vitamin E. That is literally such a pretty color as well. Oh, I got the cherry stain in a different color. Another lip oil in a lighter color. Twinkle Paint Liquid Shadow for eyes and everywhere else. What? Twinkle Paint in like a white color. Stellar Gaze Length and Strength Mineral Mascara. This is crazy, guys. I used to shop at Nature's Emporium, like saving my money up for Pacifica perfume, and now they're literally sending me PR packages. Like, that's crazy. Wake Up Beautiful Overnight Retinoid Cream. Looks really cute. Clean Shot Hyaluronic and Flowers 5% Solution. Don't know what this is, but looks fancy. Glow Baby Booster Serum. Stop, wait, I need to see what this looks like. Another glow stick lip oil, another one, Twinkle Paint, and another glow stick. Then we have a Clean Shot BHA 25% peel solution in Mandarin, a hydro treatment under eye and smile line mask, creamy gel cleanser, gently remove makeup and dirt. Then we have the Animal Magic eyeshadow palette. Why do they think I deserve this? That is so pretty. Oh my god, do you see those shimmery shades? If Pacifica is watching this, I want to say you can have my first baby. Like, I will literally give you my child. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I want my own child, but I feel like I should like give them something back. From Amazon, I ordered this heating pad. So you fill this with hot water and then you get all the air out and you like plug it. It seemed really cute, and I don't have a heating pad, and for cramps, that's a must. Then I got a package from freaking Marc Jacobs. They might be confused as to who they're actually sending this to. How do they know who I am? It says my name on the bag. What? Don't ever talk to me again. These are so sick. This is a perfume. Shut up. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. Next we have another spring perfume. No, that's, oh my gosh. That is such a good scent. Stop it. Okay, that might actually be my favorite one. This says Oh So Fresh. Then we have Daisy Love. Oh, that's really subtle. Oh, I love that. I really am not a big fan of like perfumes, but like they know how to make it subtle. You know, like it doesn't really smell like a perfume. It just smells like a natural scent. What is this? These are literally a deck of cards, and they're like pink and black. Literally me when I show up to like games night after COVID, and I'm gonna be like, yeah, I have my own Marc Jacobs deck of cards. Then we have, shut the front door, sparkling pink lemonade. I'm obsessed. And there's like more. I was literally going to buy one of these and I stopped myself. Shut up, shut up. It's one of those mugs that you can like bring drinks in and it'll like keep it cold. If it's hot, you won't be able to feel it. There's another one. Why is it so nice to me? And then there's a blanket. Am I gonna cry right now? So I'm gonna go clean this up. But thank you so much, Pacifica, Coco Kind, and Marc Jacobs. If you're watching this, I'm obsessed and I'm probably never gonna live this down. And I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. Let me know if you want more unboxing. So it's definitely another day right now. This vlog has been so all over the place, but I feel like it's been one of the most interesting vlogs I've ever made. So many things happened in it and I really wasn't expecting that. But I just wanted to say that like I don't have any self-tan on my face right now. I just used so many of the products that I got from the Pacifica and the Ordinary stuff that I ordered. I am doing like a self-care kind of day on my TikTok and I used a bunch of products and I feel like my skin looks so good and it feels so soft today. Also, I feel like I need to end this vlog. This has been such a crazy, weird vlog. I want to say thank you so much for watching it. Comment down below something crazy that's happened to you in quarantine. Because I feel like my whole days are so chill now. There's not really much going on. And I feel like the same thing happens every day. So it was kind of exciting. Kind of add a little bit of spice to my life. So comment down below something spicy that happened to you in quarantine. And I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.